we've got the engine out of the van now. We're going to be taking the cylinder head from this engine off and replacing it with a cylinder head on another engine that we have in a van parked down the car park. I'll show you that in a moment. So here's the engine that we've taken out of that van. We're going to be taking the cylinder head off and replacing it with the other one. This is the van we've got in the car park. We're going to be taking the engine from this van also, and we're going to be taking the cylinder head off this one and putting the cylinder head from this one on the other engine. The block that's on this one is damaged, so that'll go into the scrap man. But the engine we take from this one, we'll be getting the rebuilt engine put back into this van. So here we go, that van's now in the garage. We're in the process of removing the engine. Get the engine out and we can start building the two up. Okay guys, that's both engines out of the van. As you can see, we've got the cylinder head from that engine. The cylinder head we've taken off that engine will be put onto the other engine we've got at the side of it. We'll send that off to the engineers first to get them to give that a check over and get the head skims. So it's all good to go back onto the donor engine. We'll get that back in the car and we'll get another video up once it's chucked back in and it's running.